Hello there, internet friends. It's Crypto Inspector, and today we're embarking on a journey through the digital age. Tonight we're diving into the wild world of meme coins, specifically the amphibian overlord himself, PEPE. This isn't just any meme coin, it's a phenomenon. PEPE started life as a comic book character created by Matt Fury, a simple, laid-back frog with a catchphrase that resonated with many. This was back in 2005, long before the crypto craze. The internet was a different place, a wild frontier of creativity and chaos. Little did Matt know, his chill frog would become an internet sensation. PEPE's image spread like wildfire, capturing the hearts and screens of millions. PEPE's rise to meme stardom is a true internet fairy tale. From an obscure comic to a global icon, his journey is nothing short of legendary. From 4chan to Tumblr to the depths of Reddit, PEPE infiltrated every corner of the web. His presence was ubiquitous, a digital omnipresence. He's been sad, smug, angry, and everything in between. Each expression capturing a different facet of the human experience. This frog has seen it all. From the highs of viral fame to the lows of controversy, PEPE's journey is a testament to the power of internet culture. The cult of PEPE. Memes everywhere. PEPE the frog has become an internet sensation, a cultural icon that has taken the world by storm. PEPE's strength lies in his versatility. He can be happy, sad, angry, or smug, fitting any situation you can think of. Need to express your crippling existential dread? Sad PEPE is there for you. He captures the essence of those low moments perfectly, crushing it at life. Smug PEPE has your back. He's the perfect way to show off your confidence and success. This adaptability made PEPE the meme of choice for a generation. Young people everywhere share and laugh at PEPE memes daily. He's been shared by everyone, from your tech-savvy cousin to your grandmother who still thinks the internet is a fad. PEPE bridges the gap between generations. PEPE transcends language, culture, and even common sense. No matter where you are in the world, PEPE speaks to you. He's a universal symbol of, well, whatever you want him to be. People customize PEPE to fit their own narratives and emotions. And that's the beauty of it. PEPE is more than just a meme. He's a part of our digital culture, bringing joy and connection to people everywhere. PEPE takes on crypto, a match made in meme heaven. Now let's talk crypto. In 2023, someone decided to slap PEPE's face on a cryptocurrency. Why? Honestly, who knows? But it worked. PEPE coin exploded onto the scene, riding the wave of meme culture and crypto hype. It was like pouring gasoline on an already raging internet fire. Suddenly, everyone wanted a piece of the PEPE pie. People who couldn't tell a blockchain from a breadcrumb were throwing money at PEPE coin. It was pure, unadulterated meme magic. Section 4. To invest or not to invest, the PEPE predicament. So should you invest in PEPE? That's the million-dollar question. Or considering PEPE's volatility, maybe the $10 question. Here's the thing. PEPE is a meme coin. Its value is driven by hype, speculation, and the occasional tweet from Elon Musk. It's not exactly the most stable investment strategy. On the other hand, PEPE has defied all logic and expectations. It's made some people very rich, very quickly. Of course, it's also made some people very sad, very quickly. Section 5, join the PEPE party. Your guide to buying the meme coin. Welcome to the wild and wacky world of meme coins, where humor meets high stakes. Still want to roll the dice on PEPE? It's a thrilling ride, but remember, it's not for the faint-hearted. Alright, you asked for it. Let's dive into the steps to get your hands on this internet sensation. First, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange account. This is your entry point into the bustling marketplace of digital currencies. Think of it like your gateway to the wild west of digital assets. It's where all the action happens and where you'll make your first move. Next, you'll need to fund your account. This means transferring some of your hard-earned money into the exchange. Once that's done, search for PEPE and click buy. It's as simple as that, but don't let the simplicity fool you. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a meme coin. You've joined the ranks of those who find joy in the unpredictable world of internet culture. Remember, this is not financial advice. We're here to entertain and inform, not to guide your financial decisions. This is just a comedian talking about a frog-themed cryptocurrency. It's all in good fun, but the risks are real. Do your research, invest responsibly, and for the love of all that is holy, don't bet your life savings on PEPE. Always be cautious and make informed decisions. Crypto Inspector is out.